Hey guys, this is Ainsley with Elura Audio. We just got in our new Red Label in-wall subwoofer. We have it installed in our new testing facility. Come check it out. The dual 8-inch in-wall sub can be installed in between a standard stud bay. We have the subs kind of at an angle so that we can shorten the overall height of the sub, which makes it a little less obtrusive. We even include some foam pads on the magnets for the magnetic grille to lower or eliminate any resonance or buzzing. If you see here, we've got some holes along the sides so that you can really secure this into studs. To finish it off, we've got a zero bezel grill, and you can remove or add on this little rubber gasket. This is purely for aesthetics. It's not going to make any difference as far as resonance or buzzing. So let's go over here and look at the back of the sub. So this is the back of the R88IW sub. We've got some foam pads to eliminate any buzzing or resonance. We even cut out the back of the enclosure so that we can get a deeper subwoofer. So that is the back of the magnet, and we also included some gaskets in here so there's no leaking whatsoever. Up top, we've got standard dog ears, but very heavy duty, gold-plated terminals, and here's the mounting hole so you can really secure this sub in the wall. With this sub, you're going to need an amplifier. So we have our new Elura 500/1. We have one installed here in our little testing equipment rack. So it's a 1U chassis, volume knob right here on the front. We make it really clean and simple. On the back, however, we've got a couple of different options to turn it on. You can leave it on all the time. You can set it to signal sensing, so it only comes on when it senses a signal. And then we have a 12-volt external turn-on option for control systems. We also have a 3-way switch that controls the equalizer. So there's 3 separate DSP modes, 1 for 1 Elura sub, 2 for 2 Elura subs, and 3 for whole house audio. So you can switch it either which way to maximize the performance in your house. These products are now in stock, and we can even offer up to a 9% rebate. Just call Wave Electronics, our exclusive distributor, to find out how. Thanks.